Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Walmart shipping settings with ShipStation step by step clearly. To update Walmart shipping settings using ShipStation, start by logging into your ShipStation account. Once logged in, navigate to the settings section in the upper right corner of your dashboard. In the settings menu, locate and select Selling Channels. Within the Selling Channels menu, find and click on Store Setup. Click on the edit icon next to your Walmart store. This will open the store settings for Walmart. Scroll down to the shipping settings section. Review the current shipping options displayed. To update a shipping method, click on the Edit button next to the method you want to change. Here, you can adjust the shipping rates, service options, and delivery times. Make the necessary changes and click Save to apply the updates. If you need to add a new shipping method, look for the Add New Shipping Method button. Fill in the required details for the new shipping method. Once completed, save the new shipping option. You can also set shipping defaults for orders by going to the Shipping Profiles section in the settings. Select the appropriate shipping profile for your Walmart store. Ensure that all updates are saved before navigating away from the page. Finally, perform a test order to verify that your updated shipping settings are working as intended. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.